Hi, this is Gene Trowbridge of the law firm Trowbridge and Ney, and we're securities lawyers. We help people who want to raise money from a group of people, and with that equity that they've raised, go forward and do some real estate investment or a business opportunity, whatever the need for capital is. When you raise money from a group, it's a security, and you need a certain type of lawyer to do that, and that's what we are. I'm going to tell you a success story today of something that's really unusual. I never thought I would do this, but it has to do with a client who is an active real estate syndicator, but is also an amateur hockey player. And he's played hockey in the World Games and around the country. And he had an opportunity to put together a group to buy a percentage interest in a professional hockey team, a one level down minor league hockey team. And so what was the structure? The structure was his group was going to take 15% ownership in this minor league hockey team. And so he put together a group, and his group came in as one investor in the hockey team, so that he would get one check, and then he'd have to send out the checks to all of his investors. He'd get one K1, and then he'd have to do a tax return and send out the K1s to all the investors. And this type of thing is done a lot. You might have heard the term fund of funds. I have a number of syndication clients who just go out and raise money in their own syndication to go out and put it in some larger syndication as an investor. Well, this client did it in a hockey team. And so how much did he raise? He had to raise $1 million for the 15% ownership. And his structure was $125,000 per unit. And you had to buy at least one unit. You could buy two, but each unit was priced at $125,000. And the structure was very simple, 80-20. The investors got 80% of everything. The sponsor got 20% of everything that came to this LLC. And the sponsor took no fees at all. The sponsor made this available to people he knew who were interested in hockey, who had invested with him before, and were accredited investors, actually. And so he took no fees. So what I know about this offering, they raised all the money. They bought their ownership in the hockey team, and the hockey team is now playing hockey, and attendance is good. So I guess the record of the team isn't very good, but the attendance is great, and it's becoming a viable investment. So here's just a simple success story about syndication in something other than real estate. And we do quite a bit of offerings, quite a number of offerings, I should say, in things that aren't real estate related. So this has been Gene Trowbridge of the law firm Trowbridge and Ney, giving you another success story. You can call me at 949-570-1507 or go to our website, tnllp.com. That's TN as in Trowbridge Ney, LLP.com. Thanks for listening.